how to add color to a photo in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up your picture gallery. Next, from the gallery homepage, open up a picture. Then in here, swipe up to go down into the picture detail. And then you can tap on colorize. So tap on colorize. And this will add color to a picture. Now before you save the photos, it will give you the before and after preview. So you can slide across to see what it looks like after adding colors to a picture. If you're happy, you can tap on the save button, or you can tap on more and save a copy. Here, this is what it looks like when you add color to a picture, and one without a color. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.